Okay, guys, here's what Shannon is bringing. Hey, babe, you ready to go?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm ready to go back.
Oh, we're not doing nothing.
Yeah.
And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past.
Hey, guys, it is Thursday night, July 25th, about 8:40.
8:27.
Oh, 8:27. 8:27 p.m. And I am packing. I was going to do a little video of what I'm going to take to Alaska in case anyone's interested. I looked at the weather, and 3 days we're going to be there. It's going to be raining, about 57 or 58 degrees. When we arrive in Seattle tomorrow, it's going to be 83, so that's a high for Seattle. But anyway, what I'm going to bring is I have 2 coats. This one's Shannon's coat, just a black North Face coat. And then I have a Columbia, one of those kind of puffy coats. And then I've got a North Face raincoat. And then Shannon has a Columbia raincoat that he's borrowing from Kyler because he didn't have one. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring, this is Shannon's stocking cap, and this one's mine. I don't know that we're going to need them, but if we do, there they are. I'm bringing, this goes to my camera because I just got my camera, and I'm not sure. There might be something I don't know how to do, so I'm going to bring that just in case. My tripod. This is my plug-in for the room. My magnets for the wall that I showed you guys, and I'll link that above the video of all the stuff I got at the Dollar Tree if you're interested in that. For the cruise, I got a lot of stuff at the Dollar Tree. An umbrella because it's going to rain a lot. So that's that. And I got these packing cubes, in case you're wondering. I got these on Amazon. They are called Bagel, something like that. And I think it was a, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think a 4-pack for $20, and they're super nice.
I love how you say you're going to link down above the video.
Well, yeah, Kyler is. Anyway, and then binoculars. Those are very old, but we're going to take those. Everybody keeps saying to take binoculars so we can see everything. And then I'm just taking 1, 2, 3. I've got 4 t-shirts I'm going to take. 2 tank tops to go underneath things. I have 2 dress tops to wear to dinner one night. I have this long sleeve t-shirt, this long sleeve t-shirt, and then this is kind of like a pullover t-shirt. 2 cardigans just to layer over these t-shirts. And then this is just a light jacket from Gap. Just a hooded light jacket in case I want to wear it over a t-shirt or something. An Old Navy sweatshirt I got on sale. And oh, this is so cute. I ordered this from Etsy, and I'll link that below, that shop on Etsy. That turned out super cute, I thought. That's just a pullover I had made for the cruise. I thought that was so cute. And then, of course, my Mickey Mouse t-shirt to sleep in, and house shoes, and then I have my bathing suit and a cover-up, and then I have a pair of black pants that I'm going to wear with this shirt one night for dinner. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of jeans, a pair of gray jeans, a pair of maroon jeans, and I can kind of mix and match all these. I'm going to need 8 days worth, but I figured, you know, I can wear a couple of pairs of pants a couple of days, and if I have to do laundry, I can. And then I was going to bring some shorts to kind of lounge around the ship, and I brought some leggings, a pair of sweatpants. I brought a pair of capris and a pair of jean shorts because it's going to be like 83 in Seattle, so I may change. This is my outfit that I'm wearing tomorrow. And this airplane mode shirt is from Blair Lamb Designs on Etsy. I'll link her below too. She has an awesome shop. I got that from her. And then I also got this sweater weather shirt. And she makes some really cute stuff. So I'll link that below if you guys are interested. Go check her shop out on Etsy. And then this is just some pants, some yoga pants I'm going to wear tomorrow. These are my new shoes I got today. Brooke shoes are so comfortable. And that's the only pair of tennis shoes I'm taking. I'm going to take a pair of flip-flops and some black flats. And then I'm taking this dress, which I'm not going to undo it because I've already got it all snugged in there in my Dollar Tree plastic cover that I got at Dollar Tree for $1. And so I think that's it. Then I've got, let's see, this is, in this bag right here, this is Shannon's underwear, socks in there. And then I've got bras, underwear, socks in here. And I think I've got more, I can't remember what I put in here. Oh, I put a pair of shoes in here and some socks, and then these are like bras and panties, and which I'm not going to show you all that. And yeah, I think that's it. So now I'm going to put all these in the cubes. Okay, guys, here's what Shannon is bringing. Hey, babe, you ready to go?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm ready to relax, do nothing.
Oh, we're not doing nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway. Shannon is bringing 3 pairs of shorts and a pair of sweatpants, which he is wearing a pair of sweatpants tomorrow. And then he's bringing 3 pairs of jeans, which he may need more jeans than that, but. And he's bringing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 t-shirts.
You can hear that in the background.
Yeah.
We always get phone calls in our videos.
We never get phone calls any other time until we video. Anyway, he's bringing his swim trunks, long sleeve t-shirt, and then 2 collared shirts for dinner, and then looks like he's bringing 1 sweatshirt, which we're going to buy him some Alaska sweatshirts while we're there, so he's not bringing a whole lot of sweatshirts. So he's not bringing near as much as me, so his will be easier to pack.